Hi guys, you're being fascinated by this uh, premium furnitures here at HMR Trading House Pioneer. Okay, let's go. Here you have a wider assortment of side tables, Cleopatra chairs, dressers, console tables, and a whole lot more.